I'm Mich, and for today, we will be making or baking durian cake. Okay? Dahil season ngayon dito ng durian, so let's make cake out of durian. And so I'll try to open this. Actually, hindi ako kumakain ng durian. But, pwede ako mag-bake. Okay? So, minsan, crack na talaga yan pag nabili mo. Yan. So, sundan mo lang yan. Okay? Yan. Bilis lang, oh. Actually, here in Cagayan de Oro, may mga iba-ibang klase ng durian. Or here in Mindanao. Yan. So, yung malalaki, we call that one, I think, chani. I'm not sure. Yung parents ko lang kasi kumakain nito. But, yung mas masarap, yung ganito. We call this one malagkit. The smaller version. Or yung maliliit na durian. Yung nakikita mo sa mga tindahan, mas marami yung malalaki kasi mas mabilis ma-harvest yata yun. Medyo, pwede mo na i-harvest, like medyo hilaw pa. Yan. And then, let's separate the seeds. Kasi kukunin natin yung laman. Yan. This one. Tapos, i-food process natin or if you have blender, pwede yan. Para we can put this one or infuse this one sa recipe na chiffon and the custard. So, if you notice, yung pinicturean kanina is just the plain chiffon and custard. So, yung kulang is the durian mismo. Okay? I mean, ganyan yung consistency. Okay? Yan, so na-food process na natin. So, yan. Yung 1/4 will go to the cake mismo, and then yung 1/2 or yung sobra will go to the custard later. Okay? Bango, tapos yung mukha mo. Diba na? And then, I'll be adding fernan na flavor ng durian. It's up to you if you will add flavoring, but ako, sometimes kasi mas mabango yung flavoring. Okay? Then, let's start with our chiffon cake na durian flavor. So, in your bowl, sift mo si cake flour. Then, baking powder and your salt. Tapos, sugar. For those hindi pa nakaka-subscribe, don't forget to subscribe sa channel namin. Then, make a welt sa center. Tapos, you put your vegetable oil. And I'm using vegetable oil. Water. And yolks. Egg yolks. Tapos, yung ating durian with flavor. If you notice, microwavable yung nilagyan ko para matapon ko after. Matagal kasi mawala yung amoy ni durian. Yan. Kaya if you want to do cakes na i-business mo na durian cake, kailangan separate yung chiller. Okay? Then, let's do the meringue. Yan. So, in your bowl or mixing bowl or mixer, may pinag-uusapan kasi kami dito, guys. So, then let's put the cream of tartar. Yan. It will make your egg white more stable. Yan. Whip this one until frothy. Tapos, slowly add natin si sugar. So, if you've been watching my videos, dapat memorize nila si chiffon. Diba? Filipino favorite to na recipe. So, kailangan, pag nag-business ka, laging may chiffon recipe ka. That's frothy. So, let's go add the sugar. Tapos, whip natin until medium stiff. Yan. So, this is perfect. Yan. So, fold natin here sa yolk mixture. Don't worry with yung ibang kulay na nakikita mo. That's the durian. Okay? Then, bake this one na 370. Medyo mainit dapat si oven because again, this is chiffon. 9-inch baking pan, dalawang 9-inch. Tan-tadadaan! Wala pala akong baking pan. Ito na. This is 9-inch by 2. So, lagyan ko ng baking paper that divide into dalawa. So, you bake this one mga 20 to 25 minutes. Oops. Bake. So, while binibake for 20 to 25 minutes, let's do the custard. So, in here, sa saucepan, mix nyo lang lahat. Si milk, si sugar, si Bravo condensed milk, cornstarch, egg yolks, and yung mabangong durian. Okay? Since very rich na yung taste ni durian for the cake and the custard, we will frost this one with whipping cream, okay? Para medyo light na yung frosting. Haluin mo muna here bago natin cook over medium heat, okay? Just until ma-thicken konti. So, this is the filling and pwede rin lagay nyo to on top para topping niya. Pa-cool down lang natin to, si durian custard. Then, hintayin na natin si cake bago tayo mix na ating frosting. Okay? So, here's our durian cake. Yan, bake na and malamig na rin. Let's whip the frosting. Okay? So, I have here non-dairy. Whip lang natin to. Then, assemble na natin si durian. Remove natin from the pan. Then, ganda. Gusto ko 4 layers kasi I have maraming custard. Para durian na durian. Then, slice natin into 4 bali. Let's put the custard. Our whipping cream, okay na. Then, Lagay na natin. Let's start frosting. There you go, ang ating, there you go, ang ating durian cake. Okay? So, don't forget, pag sa durian, may dalawang klase. Dito sa amin may dalawang klase ng durian. So, may malalaking durian, tapos yung maliit. Piliin nyo yung malagkit, the small one. Mas matamis yun. Okay? So, for the shelf life ng cake, abot to ng mga 6 days. And again, separate nyo siya sa ibang cakes ha. Dahil ang strong ng amoy ng durian. So, lahat ng cake na nandoon, magiging same amoy niya. Again, thank you for watching guys and don't forget to like and subscribe our YouTube channel. Enjoy baking!